Good Thursday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. We are enjoying yet another day in the sun. We have a thin canopy of cirrus clouds. You can see those from our CC Heights camera, our Goldie Group camera from CC Heights. And we're going to have that from time to time today. That's what we're calling it. Partly sunny versus mostly sunny, because the past few days certainly have been just stellar. Sun-filled skies, blue sky, and very few clouds today. Not completely overcast by any means, but certainly more clouds than recent days. So glass is half empty, or whatever you want to call it, because it's slightly cloudier than recent days, but altogether still a nice day. 25 is where we start the day. It's just a few minutes after 8:30 here on this Thursday morning. 25 degrees right now. The winds are fairly light from the west. They will pick up just a little bit today as temperatures themselves make their way to about 40 degrees. Just a few degrees shy of where we were yesterday. We had 43 for a high temperature on Wednesday here in Rochester. An incredibly warm day for this time of the year. 32 yesterday would have been the seasonal average. Today's average high 31, and we're going to be almost a full decade or a full 10 degrees above that seasonal average. So again, right now some sunshine, a few thin clouds. We'll stick with that theme for much of the day with a fairly tame breeze. Not calm, but definitely not overpowering. Just a little bit of a chill to the air, though, with that breeze. So with that said, the wind chill in the 20s to low 30s at best today, as we see those temperatures climb again into the low 40s. And we'll enjoy a day that is actually really decent for December standards. You know, this time of the year known for sometimes it's gloomy, blustery weather, and sometimes very wintry weather. If you have none of those elements, we have instead more like a November chill and relatively light winds and a fair amount of sunshine. We're actually doing really well and enjoying some comfortable weather for today. It's still jacket weather, it's still winter, but mittens and things like that, and you can get through. It's just fine. Looking forecast today. Outlook for the next several hours: 30s this morning, 40 degrees by between 2 and 3 o'clock for that high temperature, and then the evening we ease back into the 30s with a fairly light breeze after we have kind of slightly breezier afternoon stretch of time. Today, air pressure falling, winds out of the west, 10 miles per hour, 15 the current wind chill index. Looking ahead at the rest of the day, 20s right now to start the day, 25 Rochester, 28 Northwood, 28 in Decorah. We have high pressure that has been bringing us beautiful weather. That is now moving southward. Little waves of cloud cover coming in from the north. We see those here on our satellite radar, and that's what we're looking at here for the outlook for the rest of today. There's that band of clouds coming in, and kind of depicting these little waves of energy coming in behind it, this little disturbance aloft, and so they're producing these thin clouds from time to time. And we'll have that for today, the most unsettled weather of the week, which really is not unsettled. We're not looking at precipitation out of this, at least not locally. Way northeast of us toward northern Wisconsin, UP of Michigan, a couple flurries maybe there, but all this activity generating almost nothing for us. Future cast for today: there are these little batches of cloud cover coming in through for the rest of our Thursday. All those rotating around a bigger system that's to our north and east. Now moving forward through tomorrow, increasing sunshine through our Friday with a light north breeze. Temperatures tomorrow on their way to the upper 30s to low 40s. And then Saturday, even more sun and still a fairly light breeze, and temperatures still in the 30s. Not quite as warm as today, but altogether really pleasant weekend. 40 today in Rochester, 42 in Austin, 44 in La Crosse, with a partly sunny sky, west winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mainly clear skies, 25, west winds less than 10 miles per hour. And tomorrow, even more sunshine and fairly light breeze. Winds dropping off through the course of the day, only around 5 to 10 miles per hour. The next few days, light winds, sunshine. Sunday may be slightly breezier, but and maybe more noticeable because temperatures will be in the mid and upper 30s, but really not windy weather by any means. And sunshine will dominate those 3 days, the coolest of them all. As we look ahead to the 7-day, here's the big ridges coming in next week. This will allow much warmer air coming in for the first 3 days of the next work week. By the time we get to Wednesday night and Thursday, notice the blue stuff, the colder trough from the northwest. It'll bring some unsettled weather and some colder weather for the tail end of next week, but still at this point, at least for next Thursday, temperatures running well above the seasonal average. 40s pretty much every day next week until Thursday. After that, it does look like next Friday and Saturday will be a little more unsettled. There's a chance maybe of some snow or a rain-snow mixture those days heading into the upcoming weekend with colder weather by then. But until then, we focus in the next 7 days after today. Look at all that sunshine and look at all those mild temperatures. 20s in the mornings, 30s and 40s in the afternoon, when something closer to 30 would be typical for a high temperature, and overnight lows to be normally in the teens. And again, we're running way above that average for the next week. Again, beyond that, probably something a little more seasonable. So enjoy the warmth while I have it. Enjoy your Thursday today, and the weekend looks terrific. So hopefully, if you get a chance to get outside and enjoy that as well. And we'll see you right back here tomorrow for TGIF.